a very quick demonstration for our preliminary exercises on project 4, which is on value. So you'll be doing more than just this one object, but we're going to be taking a household object, an everyday item, doing a simple contour line drawing of it to find the boundaries of the various values that we see within that object. So you're looking at value, the idea of light to dark, and the concept of the value scale is what we're playing with next. We're going to make 3 versions of each of the objects. I'm just going to show you one, which is an apple. And in this first version, I'm working with just my high key values. So here is a portion of the value scale. The value scale, of course, goes from light to dark, but this is just the first half of the value scale, from the absolute white of the page to a very light middle tone value. So you're creating a version of your object that uses just the values on this high end of the scale. The next piece that you're going to do goes the opposite direction and uses just values that are at the low end of the scale. So we're going from the middle to the darkest darks. So same object, but we're skewing the values now to the low end, the low key values, which are the middle darks to the absolute jet blacks. The last version of each of the objects that you're going to do will be based on the concept of high contrast. So you'll have absolute white, absolute black, and some values in the very center of your value scale. So you end up with 3 versions of the same object in 3 different value scales. High key light values, low key dark values, high contrast. So you'll do this in your preliminary exercises with 4 objects.